I purchased this cute little bus for my grandson, who is 16 months and loves to play and loves to have things that he can be interactive with and open and close and lots of buttons. So it's cute. It closes completely. It's easy to open. With adult help. It has a little key that you can take out and a key fob. The problem is it was hooked by a little green tab, which is a choking hazard, and now this key is off, which is a choking hazard itself. It does have a little credit card that makes a little sound when you swipe it, but no lights come on. It has buttons that you can turn. I really like that. It also has this that you can lift, and it goes into drive, reverse, or park. These lights do not come on, which I was surprised. This key goes in here, so you can actually turn it on, and you can turn it off, and so it sounds when you start it. It has music. And it has this little steering wheel. The problem is that the steering wheel does left and right, and it shows the lights up there. Problem is this little thing was able to come off by just a 16-month-old, so that's problematic. So this thing does not come up, but it does make a ding dong sound like a train. I'm not sure what else it's supposed to do. Great idea, but worried about the choking hazard for my grandson and the fact that he was able to pull this apart. So I am returning this product. Be cautious when you purchase.
Then
passengers, for your safety, please don't walk around in the carriage.
Video is kind of hectic. The other one. The other one. What is this doing? If you look the steering wheel, it says lock.
station.
I mean, I'm getting to the point where I'm fed up with that.